Hi friends, welcome back to Cadable. This is Engineer Prime Umar, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create text in SolidWorks that does not fall apart when you cut it in CNC machine or laser machine. To demonstrate this, I will be writing my name Ibrahim Umar, and we will see exactly how to design it that the inner parts of letters like A, B, O stay connected to the main body. So let's go to SolidWorks and let's learn this. I'll go to here, new, select part and select OK. And now we are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, I will change my background to plain white. And I will set my units to mmgs, which is millimeters gram second. So let's go to here, front plane, sketch. I will make arc like this. I will dimension it. Let's say this one is 100. You can see it is still underdefined. So I will define a gap. And let's say this gap is 10 millimeters. Okay. You can define it like this. And let's say this dimension is 5. Now you can see this sketch is fully defined, and I'll go to here, sheet metal, and I will use this command, base, flange or tab. So let's make this mid plane that is in both directions, and let's make it 300 maybe, or maybe let's say it is 200. Let's change the sheet thickness to 2 mm, and let's say this bending radius is 3, and I will select OK. Now you can see this rolled 2 mm sheet, and we want to add some text onto this sheet. So for this, first we have to unfold this because it is already folded. So I will select this command, unfold, and it is asking fixed face. So let's say this one is fixed. Collect all bends and select OK. And now you can see this flat sheet metal, and now we can write some text onto this sheet. So I will select this face. I will hide the shadow. Okay. So I will go to sketch. I will select this face. Okay. So first of all, we will create a center line like this. Okay. And let's say this dimension from this edge to this is, let's say, 70 millimeters. Okay. Or maybe 60. Let's go to here, text, and for the curves I will select this one, and let's write my name. My name is Ibrahim Umar. Now you can see this is a very small text. So first I will select whole text and I will make it center line, and then I will uncheck this, go to here, font, and I will change this to 50 maybe, or let's say I will change it to 100. Let's make it bold and let's change it to 150. It is still very small, so let's change it to 200. Okay, that's fine. Here you can change this font, you can change the font style, and you can make your text underline and strike out. I will select OK. Now I'll go to here sheet metal, and then I will use this command extruded cut, and I will use this option link to thickness. The thickness is 2 mm, and I will select OK. Now first we will see the error, and then we will resolve this error. Okay, so let's go to here fold, and let's select the edge. Edge is already selected. Bends to fold, I will select this option, collect all bends, and I will select OK. Now you can see the error. You can see this O is not connected to this main part, so it is right there. Okay, you can also see this R is also not connected with this geometry, and when you will be creating this part in laser cutting or CNC machine, so this R and this O will fall out, and these will not be part of your final geometry. Okay, your final sheet metal part. So you can see this error, and now we will solve this error. We will fix this problem. So I will delete this fold command. Basically, we have to create some bridges. So for this, I'll go to here sketch. I will select this face, and we have to create some bridges, because you can see this part is not connected to this main sheet metal body. So for this, I will use maybe corner rectangle, and I will make one rectangle like this. Similarly, I will make one rectangle like this, and then I will create one small rectangle like this, and let's say I will make one rectangle like this. For the O, we will use two rectangles, and for the R, I will use one rectangle like this. Okay, here you can define some dimensions, like this is 4 millimeters, and this is also 4, because you need some thickness for this bridge. This is also 4. Okay. Now I will exit this sketch, and I'll go to here features, extruded boss, and I will extrude this link to thickness, which is 2 millimeters. You can see this is not the correct direction, so I will flip this direction. That's correct. And make sure to check this box, merge result, and I will select OK. Now you can see this B, this R, this A, O, and this R are connected to this main body. And now the letters will not fall out when you will be using a CNC machine or laser cutting machine. So for this, I'll go to sheet metal again, and then fold. I will select this one, bends to fold, collect all bends, and select OK. And now you can see all letters are connected. So that's how you can design custom text on a curved sheet metal plate in SolidWorks. Unfold it or flatten it, add your text, and make sure that everything stays intact during machining. So last step is to flatten this, and then I'll go to here, save as, and then I will change my file type from SolidWorks part to machining format, which is DXF, and select save. It will give you a preview. Here you can see the preview of AutoCAD, and select save. Now you can send this .dxf file to CNC machine, laser cutting machine, or any other machine, and then you can create this part. Here is an important message, and that is some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one sessions for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any questions, any queries regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.